Welcome to today's collection. We're showcasing some of the most beautiful crochet blouses you've ever seen. Soft, detailed, and effortlessly stylish pieces that bring out that calm, feminine energy. Crochet fashion is all about texture, craftsmanship, and timeless beauty. Every piece feels unique, like it was made with intention and care. Let's start with this first design. A delicate crochet blouse with soft patterns and airy detailing. It's lightweight, breathable, and perfect for sunny days when you want to look cute but still feel comfortable. Next up, we have a more fitted crochet style. This one hugs the body gently while still keeping that handmade, artistic feel. Pair it with denim or a flowy skirt, and you instantly get that soft girl aesthetic. Now take a look at this open knit design. It gives a relaxed, beachy vibe, perfect for vacations, brunch days, or casual outings. It's simple, but the texture does all the talking. Here's another stunning piece with floral-inspired crochet patterns. This one feels very romantic and dreamy. It's the kind of blouse that makes any outfit look thoughtfully put together without trying too hard. We also have cropped crochet styles in this collection. Short, cute, and trendy, perfect for warm weather and layering. They bring a playful touch to your wardrobe while still staying classy. And of course, neutral-toned crochet blouses are a must. Beige, cream, and soft white shades give that clean, minimal aesthetic that never goes out of style. They're easy to pair and always look elegant. Each of these pieces tells a story, a mix of softness, creativity, and effortless beauty. So whether you're dressing up for a casual day out, a vacation, or just want to elevate your everyday style, crochet blouses are that perfect timeless choice. Which one is your favorite from this collection? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, follow, and stay tuned for more beautiful fashion inspiration.